Hello friends, welcome to my channel Power of AEM. In this video, we will learn about how we can create audiences in the Context Hub. So let's go and check out how you can leverage the Context Hub in order to create the audiences. This is your home screen of AEM. As we discussed in the previous video, you can enable the personalization or Context Hub segment through your configuration browser settings and make sure you have enabled on a particular website. Once that is enabled, personalization card or icon will be visible to you. You need to click on that. You will have three options. Go for audiences. This audience section will help us to create different type of audiences that you want to target during the personalization. As we configured everything on vRetail and the configuration is also stored under the vRetail website, so we need to go inside that folder vRetail. As you can see, some out of the box audiences are already there. However, I have created two different audiences. One who all will be using the Chrome browser and other for any other of the audiences who are not using the Chrome browser. So in that case, I will utilize both the audiences for a particular use case to show a different kind of experience on the same content page, how that page will be delivering the different experience to the Chrome browser and the other browsers users. In order to create a new audience, you need to click on the create button, which is on the top right. You need to click on that and then create context hub segment, or you can create a folder. If you want to create multiple audiences, then you can go inside that. Let's click on the create this segment. It will ask for the title, any meaningful title that you want to provide, you can add here. Boost will give you the information how you want to add that. Might be you are having multiple title, in that order you can boost a particular segment. Boosting means that will always pick at priority whenever engine or prior or personalization engine is trying to resolve the contest hub segments. We will see in the later slide videos how we can uh, use the segment and how segments are resolving. So we will look at the last. So you need to provide the title and the boost number. If you are not sure what could be the boost number, keep it as 0 so engine can pick up automatically. Once you are done, click on the create button, and after that, one audience will be created for you. We need to always keep in mind that all the audiences are storing under the conf hierarchy, as you can see the path. So if we go to our JCR repository and explore the content conf folder, you can find all the information under vRetail. Because we are working on the vRetail, we did the configuration for vRetail site. So under the conf, we are having vRetail. And after that, we are having WCM and segments. And the segments, you can see all the segments that we created, even the custom one. So this is how you can see all the segments under the JCR repository. So I hope this will be useful in order to understand where you can find and how you can create this segment. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel for more informational video. Thank you.